Hello, hello, good morning. Good morning. Hi, Jimena.
Hi.
Hi, how are you today? Fine?
Yeah. Fine.
Okay,
And you?
fine, okay. So today the weather is cold. That's okay. It's not too hot. Okay, so let's see. Nicole Flores, welcome. Fernando Marinero, Abby, Kevin, welcome. Okay. Aaron, welcome to your grammar class. Okay, so let's see. Remember, this one is a review class, yes? Okay, exactly, because on Wednesday, let me see, from 10 to 11, so you have your test, your evaluation, yeah? And from 11 to 12, I check your book, okay? Excellent. Okay, so let's see, today we practice a lot because it is necessary, okay? Let me see, develop different exercises, yes? Okay,
Good
let's do.
morning, Miss.
Good morning. Okay, thank you. Michelle Franco, Cesar, Lucas, Milena Ibañez, good morning. Okay, Rebecca Soto. Excellent, good morning. Okay, Gabriel, that's good. So let's see. Let me share my screen with you, yeah? Okay, this one is our grammar class of today. And remember, this one is a review class, yeah? Okay, so let's see, grammar review class. And in this case, we review unit number 8 and unit number 9. Yeah, because these one are the units that I evaluate on Wednesday. So let's see, first of all, we start with different usages, yeah, of the simple present. Remember, I evaluate this tense in this evaluation. So let's see, first one, let me check. Jimena Relajeño, help me please. And you read the letter A in that case.
Use simple present to talk about things that regularly happen, such as habits and routines.
Okay, excellent. So these one are things that you develop every day. Yeah. Okay, habits and routines. For example, get up, brush your teeth, take a shower, take my classes, okay, go to bed, etc. Yeah. So these one are routines that you develop every day. You have different examples here. He doesn't drive to work. We don't eat meat. Okay, so we use in negative and in positive. Yes. Okay. Letter B, Valentina Navas.
When you talk about things that regularly happen, use time expressions such as every day, in the morning, afternoon, evening, at night, and at 6:30.
Okay, when you talk about things, okay, that regularly happens, okay, you use that expression, yeah? For example, every day, every morning, during the morning, in the afternoon, etc. Yeah, all of these one are time expressions, and you use this one specifically in simple present tense. Okay, you have some examples here. You have the time expressions in bold, every day, every Saturday, in the afternoon, at night, at 6:30. Okay, that's mean you mention a time expression as a word, a number, and also as a number, yeah? As the last example, our family eats dinner at 6:30, yeah? So you can mention hours, and this one are time expressions too. Okay, let's see, next one, and is after the day of the week, after the day of the morning, after the day afternoon, evening, or weekend means that the action or event always happen, okay? Pay attention to this one. If you see this time expression, okay, week, morning, afternoon, evening, weekend, okay, that's mean that you develop this action regularly, yeah? For example, on Saturdays, I work in a restaurant. That's mean every Saturday, okay, of the month, you work in a restaurant. I take long walks on weekends. Okay, that's mean this activity you develop specifically on weekends. Okay, so that's mean this means a repeated action. Yeah, that you develop during the week. Okay, and a specific day. And also we have different prepositions. Use from to say how long something happens. Okay, I work from 8 to 5. For example, okay, I take my classes from 8 to 2 p.m. Okay, this one is only an example. So you use these two prepositions. Okay, that's mean you say or you mention how long something happens, how long this activity happens. Yes. Okay. Now, letter C. Okay, help me please. Let me check. Fernando Marinero. Letter C.
Time expressions usually come at the end of the sentence. If the time expressions is at the beginning of the sentence, use a comma after it.
Okay, thank you. So the time expressions, you usually, this one come at the end of the sentence, okay? But if you use at the beginning, you need to use a specific punctuation that is a comma, yeah? For example, I visit my grandparents in the summer. So this one is at the end of the sentence. You don't need any punctuation. So in the summer, comma, okay, I visit my grandparents. So that's me. If you use at the beginning of a sentence, write comma and then the complete sentence, yeah? In June, comma, I take a break from school. Okay, let me see. For example, on Monday, on Monday, comma, I take my PE class. Yeah, so you write comma if you use this expression at the beginning. Option D, let me check. Okay, Lucas Carvajal, help me please. Option D.
You can also use the simple present to talk about facts.
Okay, excellent. So about facts, that's mean. This one, the simple present, you let me see, has three purposes. The first one is habits, the second one routines, and the third one is facts. Yeah. Okay, so you use in these three, let me see, activities. For example, Okinawans live long lives. Okay, so this one is a fact. Yeah, so that's mean you can find this information in a book, maybe in a website, etc. So this one is a fact. So these one are the usages of simple present. Yeah. Okay, so now we pass to frequency adverbs. Okay, this one is very important because it is necessary to understand the order, okay, in action verbs and also when you use the verb be. For example, okay, if you have an action verb, you know that this one are jump, read, drink, etc. We have a lot. The list is very long. So you have the subject, okay, it's the pen, I, you, we, they, or maybe he, she, it, and then you use the adverb of frequency. Okay, that you have always, usually, often, sometimes, okay, rarely, and never. And then you have the work, okay, that's mean an action verb, I'm sorry. And then you have the complement, yeah, that in this case is 10 hours a day. Yes, okay, but this one is when you have an action verb. What happened with the verb be? Okay, the order change. For example, you use the subject, then you use the verb be, that in this case, okay, is am, are, or is, yeah? Remember, we only study simple present, only tense in present, not others, yes? Then we use the frequency adverbs, okay? And then we use the complement. For that reason, we say, I am always tired. You are always tired, yeah? The order change in that part. Then we have the use of frequency adverbs. Okay, so pay attention to that. Option A, let me check. Aaron, help me please. Adverbs.
Adverbs of frequency usually come after the verb be.
Okay, adverb frequency usually come after the verb be. Yeah, so this one is a rule. You follow this rule. I am often busy in the afternoon. She's usually tired in the morning. Yeah, so you have the verb be and then you write the adverb of frequency. Okay, Abby, help me please. Option B.
Adverbs of frequency usually come before other verbs.
Okay, adverbs of frequency usually come before other verbs. Okay, that's mean action verbs. My parents, okay, rarely eat meat. So you know that this one is not the verb be, so you use before. Yeah, Christina often rides her bike to work, so you use before. He doesn't usually watch TV. Okay, in that case it's going to sing negative. Yeah, so first one, you have the subject, then you use the helping word that in this case is do or doesn't. It's the pen of the subject. Then you have the adverb of frequency, and then you have the main verb. Yeah, he doesn't usually watch TV. Okay, option C. Let me check. Okay, help me please. A girl. Okay, let's see. Milena Ibanez, help me please. Can you activate your sound, Milena? Okay, and you can read this part. Do it by yourself. Okay, no? Okay, thank you. Rebecca Soto, help me please. Okay. Okay, thank you very much. That's mean that the girls are not in class, yeah? Genesis Aso, are you there?
Thursday, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
yes.
Sometimes, usually, and often can come before the verb or at the beginning or end of a sentence.
Okay, thank you very much. Sometimes, okay, usually and often can come before the verb. Okay, pay attention to that. Or at the beginning or end of a sentence. Okay, that's me. You can write, okay, you can say these frequency adverbs, okay, at the beginning, at the middle, or at the end of the sentence. Yeah, it's possible. We sometimes cook for our family. Sometimes we cook for our family. We cook for our family sometimes. And the three forms are okay. Yeah, but these one are only with the specific frequency adverbs. Sometimes, usually, often. These three, okay? Sometimes, usually, often. You can use at the beginning, at the middle, or at the end. Yes? But what happened with always and never? Okay, these two frequency adverbs you don't use at the beginning or at the end of a sentence. Yeah, that's mean only in the middle. Your grandparents are always active. You don't say always your grandparents are active. No, this one is incorrect. Your grandparents are active never. This one is incorrect. Yeah, so that's mean these two frequency adverbs, always and never, you use in the middle. Okay, that's mean after, okay, let me see the verb be or before, yeah, other action verbs, yes? Okay, it's clear this part, yeah? Okay, remember, this one is only a review, yes? Okay, but these one are important things that you need to memorize or don't forget, yeah? Okay, now, this one is about yes, no questions and answer, yeah? Remember, we have the declarative sentence that means positive or negative, yeah? We studied this one, and right now we make a review about questions and answer, yeah? Okay, option A, for simple present, yes, no questions, use do or does. Okay, this one is very important. You need to differentiate, okay, when you use do and when you use does. Okay, remember do, you use when a specific pronouns, okay, or subject. For example, I, okay, you, we, they, okay? So you do with these pronouns or subject, and does only with three, yeah? He, she, or it, that's all, yeah? So you have some examples here. Do you feel tired every morning? Okay. Does he wake up during the night? This one is important, yeah? So you have involved here the auxiliaries, and then you have the verb, yeah? Okay, option B. People usually use contractions in negative short answers, okay? We say that this one is better when you speak, yeah, because you don't sound angry. So you sound happy or maybe normal. But if you use contraction when you speak, this one is kind of, let me see, you can sound angry, but this one is not good, yeah? Okay, so you can use no, I don't, or no, I do not, yeah? Both are okay. Then you can give longer answers to yes, no questions. Okay, so that's mean you add extra information. You can say, yes, I usually fall asleep in about 15 minutes, or no, I often stay awake for an hour. So that's mean you can say, yes, I do. Okay, no, I don't. And you can add extra information. It's depend of the question, yeah? And also it's depend of the confidence that you have with the other person that you talk. So it's depend of the situation. So you can give a short answer and you give extra information or more information in a separate sentence, yeah? Yes, I do. I usually fall asleep in about 15 minutes. No, I don't. I often stay awake for an hour, yeah? So you say, in the same answer, yes, I usually, or maybe use two sentences. One that is short and the other one that is, or that give extra information. Then option D, some questions, okay, do not have a simple yes or no answer, okay? So you need to analyze the situation. You can answer well and give a longer answer in a speaking, okay? That's mean extra information. Well, I live with my aunt and uncle, okay? Do you live with your family? Maybe you say, yes, I do. That's all, yeah? But in some cases, you need to give extra information, not only give a short answer. Well, I live with my aunt and my uncle, yeah? And this one is good. And don't use well, to answer questions in academic writing specifically, okay? For example, if you write an essay, if you write, let me see, a summary, etc. So you don't use this one. This one is not good, yeah? Okay, so let's see. Now, and we have different mistakes, okay? That in some cases we forget the rules for using this simple present tense, but it is necessary to remember. Okay, first one, okay, the auxiliary do or does. Remember the subjects that we use, okay? Or maybe the pronouns that we use with and a specific, let me see, helping word, or in this case, do or that. Or maybe, okay, the order of the questions, okay, do you have, okay, remember the structure, okay, if you have, let me see, a verb be, it's not necessary use an auxiliary, you can use the same verb be as a question. Are these, is that, okay, but you don't use an auxiliary. But if you have another verb that is not the verb be, it is necessary to use an auxiliary word, yeah, that in this case is do or does, okay. So let's see, now we practice. Let me check this part. Okay, I share with you this one. This one is an exercise, okay? We talk about daily routines, yeah? Present, simple, and frequency in that case. So we look at the pictures and we write the actions. Okay, so we have go to bed, go to school, have lunch, get dressed, have breakfast, have a shower, or we say in some cases take a shower, yeah? Both are possible. Do the homework, brush teeth, and get up, yeah? So we have the different pictures here and you tell me, yeah? Okay, for example, number one, what is the action? Okay, Diego.
Get up.
Okay, get up. Let's see, let me move this one. Okay, I'm putting that case. Okay, number two. Okay, you can activate your sound, yeah, or your microphone, and you can give the answer. Okay, number two, what is that? This one is easy. It's an easy exercise for you. Okay, Gabriel.
Number 2, right?
Yeah.
Okay, have a shower.
Okay, have a shower, exactly. Next one, number three.
Get dressed.
Okay, thank you. Get dressed, that's good. Number four.
Have a breakfast.
Okay, have a breakfast. Okay, good. Next one, number five.
Brush teeth.
Okay, brush teeth, exactly. Let me move this one, brush teeth, yes. Okay, number six.
Go to the school. Go to school.
Okay, go to school, exactly. Go to school. Let's see, then we have here, number seven.
Have a lunch.
Okay, have lunch, exactly. So let me check if we can move this one, yeah. Okay, have lunch. Next one, I can move it. Okay, let's see, it's not possible. Okay, yeah, okay, have lunch. Number eight, we have go to bed and do the homework.
Do the homework.
Do the homework, exactly, okay, do the homework, that's good. And the last one, okay.
Go to bed.
Go to bed, yeah. Okay, so let's see, go to bed. Excellent. Okay, now, so let's see, you give me sentences with this verb, okay? But use only third person pronouns, yeah? For example, she or he, yeah? Okay, because it is necessary to practice the third person. Okay, volunteer, number one. First sentence, okay? You use get up, but remember with third person, that's mean he or she. Okay, and you make the conjugation, the correct conjugation in that case. Okay, get up. For example, this one is a girl, yeah? Okay, Gabriel.
She get up over 7 o'clock.
Okay,
7
so,
a.m.
but, okay, but what is the pronunciation of third person, the verb? She?
Gets up.
Okay, exactly, she gets up, yeah? Don't forget to pronounce the S, yeah? And also in the written form, it is necessary that you write. Because if you don't write the letter S, okay, maybe all the sentence is correct, yeah? but it's missing the letter S. So this one is an incorrect sentence, yeah, because the verb need to be in the agreement with the subject, yeah? Okay, excellent. Number 2, have a shower. Okay. Have a shower. Okay, so you're right here, chat. Ah, yeah, exactly. So, but don't forget that. So let's see, have a shower. Okay, let me check. Valentina Navas, give me a sentence. Have a shower. He, in that case, what is the correct conjugation?
He has a shower.
Okay, he has a shower during the morning. Yeah, we can add extra information. Excellent. Number 3, get dressed. Okay, get dressed. In that case, okay, get dressed. Okay, Natalia Torres. Number 3, get dressed. Give me a sentence with this verb. This one is a boy, yeah? So you can say,
He gets dressed in the morning.
okay, he
Get, sorry.
gets dressed, okay, in the
He
morning.
gets dressed in the morning.
Okay, excellent. Remember, you need to pronounce a S, yes? Okay, number 4, have breakfast. I think, okay, so it is, let me see, kind of complicated. Or we forget to pronounce the S, but it is necessary, yeah? This practice. And in that for you don't forget anymore, yeah? Okay, have breakfast. Diego de Leon.
He has breakfast at 7 a.m. at
Okay,
7:30.
exactly. Okay, he has breakfast at 7:30. That's good, excellent. So let's see, number 5, brush teeth. Okay, brush teeth. Give me a sentence with this verb or with this expression, brush teeth. Okay, so let's see. Okay, volunteer. Remember, this one is a practice for you, yes? Okay, Michelle Franco, brush teeth. Give me a sentence. What is the correct conjugation of this verb? Exactly in present tense. She brushes, okay, her teeth at 7:45. Yes, remember, in that case, we add ES, brushes. Okay, go to school, goes. So we say G-O-E-S. We talk about third person, yes? Okay, have lunch, has lunch. Do the homework, she does the homework, yeah, at 4:30. And go to bed, he goes to bed, yes? Okay, remember, practice the pronunciation of third person. Okay, so let's see, now we circle the correct option in that case. Okay, number 1, what is the option? 7 o'clock or 7:30? In this case, check the hour, yeah? Okay, what is the correct option? 7 o'clock or 7:30?
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock, thank you. At 7:20, he has a shower or get dressed. Okay, at 7:20, he has a shower or get dressed. What is this one? Has a shower or get dressed?
Get dressed.
Get dressed,
Get
okay.
dressed.
Okay, number 3, he brushes his teeth, okay, at 7:30 or 7:45. Okay, check the hour.
Half. No.
7:30 or 7:45.
Quarter to 8.
Quarter to
Okay,
8.
yes. Number 4, she has lunch or doesn't her homework at 1 o'clock. Has lunch. Okay, has lunch, good. And she goes to bed at
Quarter
Okay.
past 10.
Quarter past 10.
Exactly. Okay. Quarter past 10. Good. So let's see. Now we complete with the correct form. Okay. So that's mean this one is in third person. Okay. Or maybe in plural. Harry and Dylan. Okay. You have the word, the verb in parentheses. Harry and Dylan.
Has.
Okay. Has or have?
Has.
Okay, have
Has.
in that case, exactly. Why? Because Harry and Dylan. So we have two. This one is plural, okay? So this one is not one. So you use have. Okay. Number two, I usually
Go.
go. Exactly, okay? Go to school by bus. Number three, we never
Do.
do. Okay. Number four, Karen.
Brushes.
Brushes.
Okay, brushes, yes. Okay, Karen brushes her teeth after breakfast. And number five, my brother usually,
Watch.
What's
Watches.
okay, watches. So remember, all the verbs that end in CH, you add ES. Yeah, you don't say watch, watches, yes? Okay, that's good. Now we write in third person, yeah, these verbs. So first one is with consonant S at the end. Then we have with the suffix ES at the end, or maybe with the suffix IES, yes? So we have here three examples, right? Watches, studies. Okay, what about read? First, second, or third column?
First.
Okay, first.
first?
Okay. Yes, we say reads, yes? Okay, do. First,
Second.
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 Okay, second, exactly. Stay.
I
Three.
The
Ah,
second.
yes. Okay, stays. Number one, two, or three?
One.
Three.
One. Okay,
One.
you only add an S at the
Stay.
end. Yes, this one is an exception. Why? Because if you have a vowel, okay, before the letter Y, you don't change. You only add an S. Yes, this one is one of the rules. But if you have a consonant, okay, yes, you can change by IES. Okay, go.
Second.
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 Okay, so you say goes, yes? Okay, that's good. Fly.
The third column.
Third.
Okay, fly. This one is number three. In that case, we change. Why? Because we have an L. That's mean a consonant. Yeah? Is it possible that we cross out the letter Y and we change by IES? Okay, that's good. Brush.
Second.
The second column.
Yes. So you say brushes.
Brushes.
Yes. Okay, and teach.
Second.
Okay, second, exactly. So you say teaches.
Teaches.
Yes, yes. Okay, that's good, teaches. Okay, so now we complete this one. Don't or doesn't, yeah? It's depend. He don't or he doesn't?
It doesn't.
Okay, he doesn't, yes. He doesn't go home at 3 o'clock. Yeah, if you see the verb, okay, that's mean the main verb is in the main form. Yeah, we don't change, we don't add es, okay? Because the auxiliary has the function of third person, he doesn't. Okay, number two, the twins.
Don't.
Okay, don't, exactly, because this one is in plural. The twins don't get dressed at 9:30. Okay, number three, Emily.
Doesn't.
Okay, Emily. Okay, that's good. Emily doesn't make her bed every morning. Number four, I.
Don't.
Okay, I don't listen to music after dinner. That's good. We.
Doesn't.
Okay, we doesn't. Okay, we don't. Okay, remember this one is plural, yeah? We don't. We don't start school at 10 o'clock, yeah? Okay. That's good. Now we write these sentences in the negative form. So you have the first one. The boys watch TV before lunch. In negative.
The boys don't watch TV before lunch.
Okay, the boys
Don't watch TV.
don't
Doesn't.
watch. Ah, okay. Doesn't, exactly. Boys. This one is in plural. So the boys doesn't, okay, watch TV
Before lunch.
before lunch. Exactly. Okay. Check. Our practice is important, yeah? Okay, lunch. So let's see. Next one. Harry drinks milk in the morning.
Harry
don't drink.
Harry
milk
doesn't.
in the morning.
Okay, Harry doesn't.
Harry doesn't.
Exactly, Harry doesn't. But we eliminate the letter S at the end, yeah? Harry doesn't drink milk in the morning. Yes, okay, in the morning. Next one, Sue listens to music after dinner.
Sus doesn't listen to
Okay.
music after dinner.
Music after dinner.
Okay, exactly, Sue doesn't listen. So we eliminate the letter S, okay, at the end of the verb. Listen to music after dinner. That's good. Okay, next one. They eat soup every day.
They don't eat
They do-
every day.
Okay, they don't eat. Exactly. They don't eat because this one is in plural. So this one is correct. Every day. Okay, next one. Philip writes his bike to school.
Philip doesn't ride his bike to school.
Doesn't.
Okay, doesn't, exactly. Doesn't ride. So we eliminate the letter S. His bike, yeah, to school. Okay, that's good. And the last one, I do my homework after dinner.
do homework after dinner. I don't.
Okay, I don't, exactly. I do my homework after dinner. Okay, that's good. Okay, this one is good. So let's see, let's continue. Okay, look at the picture and ask and answer. Okay, we follow the example. So we have he play football twice a week. Yeah, what is the question in that case? Does he play football twice a week? And what is the answer? In that case, we give a short answer, yeah? Yes, he does, okay? Or maybe no, he doesn't, okay? So let's see. Analyze the first one. Number 2, they do their homework after school. What is the question?
Do they their homework day after school?
Okay, repeat. Do
Their homework day after school?
Okay, let's see. Another.
They do the homework after school.
Okay, do they do exactly their homework after school? Okay, remember, we have an auxiliary or a helping word, but we have a verb that in this case is do. Yeah, do they do their homework, okay, after school? And what is the answer?
No, they don't. No, they
Okay,
don't.
exactly. This one is a short answer, so we say no, they don't. Yes. Okay, that's good. And remember, short answers also, this one is a sentence, so you need to write a period at the end, yeah? Okay. Number 3, she read after dinner.
Does she read after dinner?
Read after dinner?
Okay, excellent. So we use the auxiliary does. Yes. Okay, does she read after dinner? Is not necessary. Add an S at the end of the verb. Yeah. Okay, and what is the answer?
Yes, he do. No.
Okay.
No,
Yes, he does. Yes, he
Okay. No, she don't.
no, she don't.
No, she doesn't.
Doesn't.
Okay, no, she doesn't. Okay, remember, you use does with third person, okay? And if you see the question, we use does, okay? No, she doesn't, okay? Let's see, number 4. What is the question?
How do they go to the cinema?
Go to the cinema on Saturdays.
Okay, do or does?
Do.
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 Okay, do they go to the cinema? Yeah, on Saturdays. Yes, okay, because we talk about plural. Okay, oh, we have a lot of people here. So what is the answer?
Yes, they do.
Yes, they do.
Yes, they do.
Yes, they do. Exactly. Yes, they do. Yes. Okay. Excellent. So now the questions. Okay. What time? What do you think is the question in that case? She usually gets up at 7 o'clock.
What time
time?
she gets up?
Okay. And what is the auxiliary?
Does.
Does.
What time does she
Get
Get up.
get up? Exactly. What time does she get up? She usually gets up at 7 o'clock. Yeah. Number 2. Do
you have breakfast in
the kitchen?
okay.
You have breakfast in the kitchen.
Okay. Do you have breakfast? Okay, you can say only that. Do you have breakfast? And you can answer, yes, I do. I have breakfast in the kitchen. Okay, that's mean you add extra information because you mentioned the place. Could be the living room, the dining room, etc. Yeah. Do you have breakfast? And that's all. Yes. Okay. Number 3, how?
How they go to school?
Okay, how do they go to school? How do they go to school? Okay. What is the answer? They go to school by bus. Yes. Okay. Number 4. Where?
Where does
he has lunch?
Okay. Where does he have? Okay. Have lunch. Okay. Because remember, in a question, you use the verb as a main verb. Okay. That's mean the main form. It's not necessary to pass a third person because the auxiliary has this function, yes? Where does he have lunch? Okay, he has lunch in the school canteen, yeah? Okay, number 5, does.
Does she read before dinner?
Okay, does she read exactly before dinner? So let's see. No, before dinner, yeah. Okay, no, she doesn't. She doesn't read before dinner, yes? Okay, and the last one, what time?
do they go to bed?
Okay, what time do they go to bed? Exactly. I'm sorry. Yeah, they go to bed. Yeah, they go to bed at 10 o'clock. Yes. Okay. We have 2 minutes. Yeah, we can check this one. Okay, so let's see. What is the order of this one? I don't watch TV after dinner, usually. I
usually don't watch TV after dinner.
Okay, I don't.
Usually.
Okay.
Watch TV
after dinner. Okay, exactly. Remember, this one is, okay, an action verb. So the frequency adverb is, okay, before. Next one, they.
Never have lunch at home.
Okay, they never, exactly, it's never. No. Oh, yes, yes. I'm sorry, this one is my mistake. They never have lunch at home. That's good. Number 3.
Helen sometimes walks to school.
Okay, Helen sometimes walks
to school.
Walks to school, exactly. Okay, yes. And then Harry
often.
Okay, often. Are you sure?
School.
Henry is often late for school. Exactly. Okay. So let's see. We stop this one, yeah? Okay, so You are ready for your grammar test? Remember, this one is on Wednesday from 10 to 11. Yes? Okay, thank you for participating a lot. It to be in class. Okay, bye-bye. Enjoy your lunch, yes? And the
Bye.
rest of the day.
Bye, Miss.
Okay, bye,
Bye.
bye-bye.
Bye.